Hello everyone. Is your car struggling to shift smoothly, or do you feel a shudder when driving at high speeds? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0740 torque converter clutch circuit malfunction, it means your vehicle's torque converter clutch isn't engaging properly, which can lead to transmission damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0740 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors causing this problem. Let's get started. Wrench. What is P0740? What is P0740? The P0740 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module detects an issue with the torque converter clutch circuit. This clutch helps the engine and transmission work together efficiently by locking the torque converter at highway speeds. Ignoring this code can lead to overheating, poor fuel economy, and even complete transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0740: shuddering or jerking at highway speeds, transmission overheating, slipping gears or delayed shifting, poor fuel efficiency. Check engine light on RPMs, fluctuating at steady speeds. If you're experiencing any of these problems, let's find out where the key components are located. Location pin, sensor and component locations. Where to find them. To diagnose P0740, check these critical components. Torque converter clutch TCC solenoid. Location. Inside the transmission valve body, usually near the transmission pan. Function controls the application of the torque converter clutch. Torque converter turbine speed sensor TSS sensor. Location mounted on the transmission housing near the torque converter. Function measures the rotational speed of the torque converter. Transmission input speed sensor ISS sensor. Location near the input shaft of the transmission. Function compares input speed with output speed to ensure smooth shifting. Transmission control module TCM or powertrain control module PCM. Location usually under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function manages signals from speed sensors and controls transmission operation. Wiring and connectors. Location runs between the TCC solenoid, sensors and PCM. Function ensures stable signal transmission. Damaged wiring can cause intermittent errors. Wrench. Common causes of P0740. Common causes of P0740: faulty torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid. If it fails, the clutch won't engage properly. Wiring or connector issues. Damaged, loose or corroded wiring can cause signal disruptions. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Old or contaminated fluid affects solenoid operation. Faulty torque converter turbine speed sensor. A bad sensor can send incorrect data to the PCM. Internal transmission problems. A failing torque converter or worn-out clutch can trigger this code. PCM/TCM software issues. In rare cases, a software update or reprogramming is needed. Wrench. How to fix P0740. How to fix P0740. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the right level. Step 2. Inspect the TCC solenoid and wiring. Look for damaged or corroded connectors. Step 3. Test the torque converter turbine speed sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage. Step 4. Inspect the input speed sensor. Compare readings to detect inconsistencies. Step 5. Examine the torque converter. A failing converter may need replacement. Step 6. Check PCM/TCM connections. Ensure they are clean and properly connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. Loudspeaker. Final words. If left unchecked, P0740 can cause serious damage to your transmission. Fixing it early will save you from costly repairs and keep your vehicle running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0736. Gear 6 incorrect ratio P0737. Torque converter turbine speed sensor circuit. No signal light. Share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.